This may be controversial, but I'm all for robots replacing humans in the workplace. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share my artificial intelligence tool list that allowed me to replace most of my employees that I had working for me. And these AI tools could save you up to $40,000 a year in expenses. Everything that you know about artificial intelligence is 100% wrong. I've gone through multiple employees and hiring out different contractors just to do the simplest tasks for me. Just to have them do certain tasks in my business that I may not be an expert in or just don't have the time to do. And it always seems to be a major frustration point because these people always deliver stuff not on time. They forget certain aspects that I want them to produce or include, really just leading to a whole bunch of wasting time and not delivering a service that I was looking for and requesting for. And here's the major problem. Every time that I hire someone, I create a video playbook showing them exactly how to do the tasks, what needs to be done, and my vision. So ultimately, I'm providing them a complete training video on exactly how to do their job and what I'm hiring them for. Then I have to continue to babysit them to make sure that they actually execute on the simple tasks that I've given them and shown them how to do, which just ends up taking up way more of my time, which is ultimately not what I hired them for. It was for them to give back some of my time. And here's where artificial intelligence solved my problem. This part blows my mind. So after taking a couple courses on AI and then watching a few YouTube videos, I was literally presented the magic pill of AI, which eliminated $40,000 worth of business expenses from my bottom line. And I'm sure every single business owner or small business owner can especially relate, and especially the people in my shoes where you're just on the come up creating your business, you're starting to leverage other people, and you really need employees and contractors to help you to get your business to the next level. And if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, I'm going to be sharing my journey along the whole entire way because it has been game changing. So you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be sharing with you exactly what's working for me and what's not working in the artificial intelligence realm. But here's the thing, AI not only did it cut down on my expenses, these AI tools don't get tired, they don't lose focus, they don't only work during the week, they don't miss deadlines. So pretty much they eliminate all the human aspects and all the human errors that come into the workplace. But not only did it affect my business that way, it actually caused my revenue to go up. So not only did it cut down on my expenses, it actually caused my revenue to go up. And I'll be sharing these secrets in my AI tool list. So that ultimate magic pill is I'm now spending less money, I'm making more money, and it's taking me less time to achieve my business goals. So my first AI tool list that's going to allow you to replace most of your employees, it is the holy grail of artificial intelligence and the most popular that's out there on the market. It is ChatGPT. This is the everything tool. And I could go in a ton of detail how I use this, but personally, I believe the coolest thing that I've done with ChatGPT is train it to understand my business. Now that it understands my business, it helps keep me on the straight path of achieving my goals, and everything that it does for me, it keeps those goals in mind. The next really cool aspect is from the marketing side. I trained it on the 7 human hijacks on how to become an effective marketer. So now all my marketing, I start with that ChatGPT, and it makes sure to incorporate all these human hijacks, which is leading to my business and my marketing doing better, which is increasing my sales. And if you're someone that wants to learn how to train ChatGPT on your business, I have an AI masterclass that links down in the description below. It's tailored towards real estate agents, and it teaches them how to train ChatGPT to understand their business so they can achieve their most ambitious real estate goals. On average, people are getting 2 or more listings per month after they take my artificial intelligence course. So if you're a real estate agent, you're 100% going to want to dive into that. AI tool number 2 is going to be Opus Clips. So I feel like this one was made for me. I absolutely hate making short form videos. Now I can literally just film one YouTube video like this, upload it to Opus Clip, and it can spit me out a ton of different short form content that automatically posts to whatever platform I want or schedule it to that platform. It also writes me all the copy, so it writes a hook in the title and gives a virality score. So this one is a huge time saver and a major pain point that I was experiencing. The third is going to be descript. I used to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars each month getting people to edit my videos, but now with descript, all the artificial intelligence that's built into this platform literally makes editing a breeze. If you can run a Word document, you can now become a video editor. So this one is probably the most important for anyone looking to get into the video marketing realm of things, but can't quite afford to hire out a video editor or get a professional videographer to make your stuff. Hey, even for me, still to this day, I film everything on my phone. So now you can just use that and move ahead and still produce really world-class videos on this application. Number 4, and this is probably going to be the most used in the real estate world, is Canva. Now Canva syncs seamlessly with ChatGPT in the GPT store, where you can just type in certain phrases into ChatGPT on what you're looking to create. It automatically creates something in Canva linked to your account. I then go click that and it's designed exactly what I was looking to do. I've spent hours upon hours trying to create really cool stuff in Canva, trying to find templates, trying to just do a realm of different things in there, where now I was literally in between appointment and I just typed into my phone, create me a first-time homebuyer Instagram story highlighting 5 points that every first-time homebuyer needs to know before they buy a home. It literally busted me out a template in seconds. It was quite amazing. So if you want to learn how to do that and literally save 8 to 10 hours a week as a real estate agent, well, you're going to want to take my artificial intelligence course that's down in the link in the description. People who have taken the course so far are experiencing getting 2 or more listings a month without adding any additional expenses. This course is literally what's going to allow you to achieve your goals this year as a real estate agent. Number 5 is VidIQ. So this is specifically tailored to YouTube. Now with all its artificial intelligence baked into this platform, it can now write you YouTube scripts. It can now help you with titles. It can compare thumbnails. It helps with the whole posting thing and gives you an overall score on how your YouTube video will do. This one alone saves me so much time that it's worth its weight in gold. Number 6 is Midjourney. How realistic of images that these now create is mind-blowing. Candidly, this one's a little clunky and a little tough to set up and kind of a pain in the butt because you got to go through Discord and set up this separate server through Midjourney. But the images and how realistic it is mind-blowing. You won't believe what you can now create on Midjourney, and this is the source of where I create a lot of my marketing material. Instead of me having to surf hours upon hours trying to find stock photos, go to Google, go to Canva to find certain images, I just type in exactly what I'm looking to do and it creates it. And if it doesn't create it exactly to what I want, I just prompt it further. It is absolutely revolutionary how awesome this Midjourney platform is for creating AI images. The next one is going to be out for all the people who are like myself. 4 or 5 years ago when I was looking to start my business, I didn't have the funds to pay for a web developer. And so shelling out a few $1,000s in order to get a website made and get everything custom tailored to my brand was something that I still did, but it would have been nice if I could have took that chunk of money and maybe put it into marketing, which would have led for me getting more sales at the start, whatever it may be. But now with Durable, you can create a website in seconds with all the custom tailored AI applications. You literally just prompt it and you can just hit regenerate and it can create a unbelievable looking website for your business. No longer do you have to hire a web developer in order to create the website for you. I know I personally tried to take on this task and it took me weeks upon weeks and I didn't end up getting a website made, so then I had to hire someone. So this takes out every major pain point that I know exists. If you're like a non-technical person like myself, it is game changing. And for the people that want a copy of this AI tool list, I've literally gone through hundreds of different applications trying to see what's going to be the best for business. So this AI tool list is my tool list that I made that were the most effective I found out of all the tools out there in the AI industry. So if you want to copy that, just make a comment down below saying AI tool list and I'll send you the document so you can use these applications that I talked about in this video. And for the people that are getting value and would love to tag along my journey of learning artificial intelligence and how much it's impacting my business, well, hit that subscribe button. Would love to continue to help you folks out.